Hi, and welcome to Baz Bites. My name is Matt Okuma, and thank you for taking the time today to watch this short video and demo on Cisco Encrypted Traffic Analytics. I think we'd all agree that the amount of encrypted traffic which is in use in our private and public networks is increasing exponentially day by day. And as a result, the internet has essentially gone dark from a visibility in threat standpoint. So what I'm going to frame up today is how Cisco, in combination with Cisco DNA Center Automation, our StealthWatch cognitive threat analytics, and the ETA feature built into our Catalyst 9Ks, as well as our new wireless LAN controllers and ISR routers, are delivering in a sense, a flashlight to peer into the encrypted traffic onto the network and identify new malware threats. So I'll be walking you through the whole solution and how it easily is delivered. But first, to begin with, I just wanted to quickly cover where Cisco ETA came from. So ETA essentially started as a Cisco-funded open source project in which a couple of Cisco fellow engineers, these are the really, really smart guys out there, got together, and as a result of the open source project, they came up with the logarithms and the routines which form the basis for the ETA technology. And these technologies were then, or these innovations were then transferred over into our Catalyst 9K switches, as well as our 9800 series wireless LAN controllers now, our ISR routing platforms, and I'm sure more platforms in the future, where we introduced a new form of flow data within the export of the flow data that includes these routines and algorithms that allow us to see into the encrypted traffic. We couple that flow data, we send it to our StealthWatch analytics platform called Cognitive Threat, and that's where we deliver the visibility into encrypted traffic analytics with a very, very high efficacy rate. So as you can see, this solves a lot of business challenges people are facing with dealing with encrypted traffic on their network. So let's bring this to life. Let's jump in and let me walk you through a live demo of the solution and actually show you how all the pieces and parts come together. First, I'm going to log into DNA Center and I'm going to walk you through how easy Cisco DNA Center has made it to enable encrypted traffic analytics on the devices running in your network. So I'm logged in here to DNA Center. I'm just going to go to this provision section here and click on services. And what you'll see is there's a little wizard box here that says StealthWatch Security Analytics, Configure and Deploy. If I click on that, DNA Center is going to go out and survey all the switches in the environment and let you know how many are actually available based on the site in the administration hierarchy over here. So you can see here there's one device that's ready in my site, California. So I'm going to click on this and it does a basic checks where it looks for the proper software, the device role, make sure there's no conflicts, make sure you have the right hardware and licensing to set up encrypted traffic analytics. So you just click down here on this Get Started button. You'll notice that there's an integration done into the StealthWatch flow collector. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to click Next. I can either schedule it. It actually shows the switch that's going to be enabled on. I can click Now and click Enable. And we'll let that run in the background. And the next steps will be, once it's enabled, is to go in and actually test this and show you what it looks like. So I'll be logging in to a virtual desktop, which ETA is running and is connected to a switch that's enabled. And we'll walk through and show you what that actually looks like. So I'm logging into the desktop connected through ETA, and what I do is I launch a Tor browser to create some encrypted traffic. I'm going to go to three test sites: internetbadguys.com, examplebotnetdomain.com, and examplemalwaredomain.com. These are all Cisco domains that are used to trigger ETA, and they are owned by Cisco, so they're good for testing if you guys want to test encrypted traffic. So I'm back now over in StealthWatch, and as you can see, if I zoom in here, we have Dr. 2, which I logged in on. We now see that new thing in the cognitive threat that says detected using encrypted traffic analytics. So you can see that it's very critical. I'm going to open it up here and look, and what you'll see is we see encrypted malware. So we're able to see into that encrypted malware now using ETA. You could see the sites I went to and that it's a phishing site. That's that Internet Bad Guys domain that I used. Just to show you what this looks like, I'm going to do a flow search on just that specific IP of that client. And what you'll see is I'll expose all the encrypted fields now in that flow search within StealthWatch. So just proving that we are actually seeing into the encrypted traffic. As you can see over there on the right, you can see the TLS version, the encryption type, and etc. All the encryption attributes, which are now we can see in the flows itself. Going back to the network security dashboard, just showing that we now have this new section, that bubble that says detected using encrypted traffic analytics. So in conclusion, I hope you enjoyed today. Just a quick overview of how DNA Center plus StealthWatch, cognitive threat analytics coupled with the Cat9K advanced features are using ETA to actually look and shed light on all encrypted traffic within your network. Thanks again for joining, and I hope you found this information and demonstration useful. Be on the lookout for additional videos and demos in the near future. Thank you.